Welcome students to class 5th. Our chapter was not completed. Some of the points were left from means of transport. So in waterways we have just completed the major routes. They are North Atlantic, Suez Canal and Panama. So the last important point in that in waterways is there are 11 major ports in India. These are the names: Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Marmagao, Kochi, Visakhapatnam. Okay, this is you must have to remember all the 11 major ports in India. Now we'll starting with the last point, that is airways. Students, we all know that airways is the fastest and most expensive means of transport, and the idea of flying in the air came with birds. So there were two brothers. They are called as Wright brothers. They are from America, and they had made an attempt to fly in the sky. They developed an aeroplane, means it is called as Flyer. The name of the plane they invented, it was named Flyer. Just now first we read the text. Transport by air is the fastest and the most expensive means of transport. Birds probably gave man the idea of flying in the air. Earlier, he made an effort to fly with the help of balloons filled with light gases. In the beginning of 20th century, Wright brothers of America made an attempt to fly in the air. So I already explained you. Did you get the answer? They developed an aeroplane called Flyer, which flew for 12 seconds at a height of 3 meters, covering a distance of 230 meters. This was the first aeroplane. You can look at the picture. This was the first aeroplane which was invented by Wright brothers in the 20th century. What is the capacity of the plane? It can fly for 12 seconds at a height of 3 meters and can cover distance of 230 meters. But as with advancement in science and technology, the size and speed of aeroplane has also improved, and now an aeroplane can carry more than 400 people at one time and at a speed of 1000 km per hour at a height of 10,000 meters. So as the science and technology get advanced, the size and speed of aeroplane also get innovated and improved, and now it is capable to carry 400 passengers at a time. And due to this, all the countries all over the world are linked by air, and many cities like London, Paris, New York, Singapore and Moscow, they also developed international airports with modern facilities. In India, public and government airlines are called Air India. It is operated not only in India but as well as in several foreign cities. So students, the government, or we can say public airlines of India is called Air India, but there are also some private airlines. What are the names? Air Deccan, Jet Airways, SpiceJet, Indigo. These are the private airlines of India. India has more than 100 civil airports. Some of the major names of international airports are also given, that is John F. Kennedy Airport in New York and Heathrow in London. So students, our chapter is completed. The last point is, that is the disadvantages of modern means of transport. What are the disadvantages? That as with some good, some bad also come. So what are the disadvantages of modern means of transportation? That as due to increasing the number of vehicles on road, it leads to increase in the number of accidents and also leads to traffic jam and pollution, different kinds of pollution like air pollution and water pollution. But at the same time, some measures are also taken. What are they? Like the use of CNG in vehicles to reduce air pollution, and many other measures are being taken by government to check pollution. So students, just you read the text by yourself also. so that your chapter will be more clear. It is very important chapter as it is about our transportation system. These are the answers of take the correct answers. You can take in your book. No need of writing this in your copies. Match the following. Then fill in the blanks. For any mistake of spelling, just go through the words which are given above the fill in the blanks. Then true or false. These are the questions. For this solutions are given here. First, second, third, fourth and fifth, sixth, seventh, and this one is eighth. Odds question means high order thinking. So this is the question, again very important, that is of compressed natural gas. It is the cleanest of all the fossil fuels, composed primarily of methane. The main products of the combination of natural gas are carbon dioxide and water vapor. The same components we exhale when we breathe. It releases a very small amount of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Therefore, CNG causes very little air pollution. So student, our chapter is completed. We'll do our next chapter in our next video.